Now that we've had a guy over in Norwich, nice guy with the name of Ollie, Frostbite Refrigeration Services, who's degassed it for us, so we're all gas free, taken away the cables and undone 3 connections, a sensor off the fan, and take it off the roof. I think this is the easy bit. The bit on the outside looks to be extremely heavy and very large cable to get rid of from the outside unit. Use it like a pair of scissors though, just squeeze.
What we have, 1, 2, 3,
and then 4 over there.
4 bolts holding it on to the frame, which is
Silicone, don't mind that.
and screwed in to the roof of the fridge box. Please do not degas by just removing these connections and releasing gases into the atmosphere. That's not on. That's not the way it should be done. But people do it. Why? Maybe because they don't give a flying fig.
Just try it, see, there's no real weight to it, is there? But I need to undo these first. I've still got that one to undo, right? So it's holding up there.
Yeah. So it's this side.
Okay.
It's this corner.
That one's completely out.
Yeah.
This one and that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That'll just slide out.
Ah.
It'll just slide out. Okay?
Okay.
There we go. Not
do that.
particularly heavy, it's just bulky, isn't it?
It's the easy one, isn't it? You can actually take that bracket,
Yeah.
use it as a template, draw that onto something to get the curve,
Oh yeah.
and then transfer it when we need
Yeah,
it.
that's a good point. Yeah, because it's
It's
up to
level.
the slope, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
level. Ah.
That's what you need, is that angle, and it looks nice and neat, nice and clean.
Yeah, it does. I think a comment was made in the Fridge Box Camper Facebook group about it was more difficult getting this mounting bracket off than it was getting the unit off. And I'm not surprised. Oh my. The battle continues. Round 586, I think it is.
Cheese wire was not an option.
No, that did not work.
Knife is semi-useful. Ooh,
There we go.
not really.
Ooh.
I think that was as good a move as I would want.
Oh, is it cracked it?
A bit of a...
Past that bolt hole now.
Have I? What you might need to do at some point is you might have to actually catch it,
Yeah.
or at least to stop that from dropping and tearing the last bit.
Okay.
Very nearly. Very close.
Oh,
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Got it? Yeah.
That weighs nothing.
Hurrah! So, there we go. It is
And that's
off the ceiling, and I hope that that's going to be the most difficult part of this build. What do you think?
oh, I hope so as well. Apart from crawling underneath perhaps to paint.
Oh, yes. We don't have benefit of a 2-post lift, do we?
No.
So, good old Canadian cheese wire
Certainly
from
helped.
Home Depot
Thank you very much.
does the business.
Put it away for another 5-10 years.